To become a Wolt delivery partner, you need to apply through the Wolt website or the app itself. So first things first is for the application. Just visit the website or download the app itself. Then you want to submit your information, provide your basic details. Then upload documents. Depending on your location, you may need to upload documents like a valid driver's license, proof of identity, and proof of self-employment. Then you want to review and onboarding. So Wolt will review your application, documents, and if approved, you'll be invited to complete the necessary paperwork and sign a cooperation agreement. And then you can now gear and start delivery. So in some locations, you may need to put up like gears, like a delivery bag, before you can start. And then you're gonna start delivering. And make sure to check the requirements. For the age, you need to be 18, and for the vehicle, you can use a motorbike, bicycle, scooter, or car. You need to have a license, you need to have an ID, a smartphone, and a self-employment. And that's how you can apply World Partner Delivery Work.